The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean in which ships, planes, and people are alleged to have mysteriously vanished. It is on the southeastern coast of the US in the Atlantic Ocean between the Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico. When we join them, we get a triangle whose area is about 500,000 square miles. The Bermuda Triangle has swallowed 75 aircrafts, 100 plus ships, and 1,000 plus human lives. But there is nothing official about the Bermuda Triangle. It's not a registered territory and it's not even shown on maps. But it's understood that it stretches from Miami, Florida to the island of Bermuda and San Juan in Puerto Rico. The Bermuda Triangle is also known as the Devil's Triangle, the Hoodoo Sea, the Limbo of the Lost. The legend started in the 15th century when the Italian explorer Christopher Columbus saw a flame of fire crashing into the sea in the triangle during his first voyage to the New World. Vincent Candace in 1964 used the term Bermuda Triangle for the first time in his magazine. Then in 1611, the famous playwright William Shakespeare, the man who did not believe ever after his Tempest on a Bermuda shipwreck. But only from the 20th century, the Bermuda Triangle has gained the public's attention. In 1945, 5 US Navy planes and 14 men disappeared in the area while doing routine training exercises. After the Navy investigated, they reported as cause unknown. The recent incident took place on 28 December 2020. A boat with 20 people on board left Bimini in the Bahamas. It was supposed to arrive to Lake Worth, Florida in 29 December 2020. The boat traveled through an area composed of the Bermuda Triangle and went missing. The boat has not returned till date. The US Navy Coast Guard searched for 17,000 square miles and found nothing. The earliest instances of the unusual disappearances in the area were reported in 1950. And in almost 7 decades since, speculation has been rife about the actual cause of the weird happenings. Only between 1945 and 1965, Wikipedia states that up to 5 planes crashed in the area and 10 ships sank or disappeared from 1800 to 1963. The Bermuda Triangle has become legendary for hundreds of ships and aircrafts that have crashed there over the past couple of centuries. It is said that over 1,000 lives have been lost there. While with many scientific views disputed this argument, offering rational explanations to the phenomena. Among few proposed scientific explanations, the most popular is the theory of electromagnetic interference that causes compass problems. This theory claims that there is a very high pull of Earth's natural magnet which redirects the compass and other sophisticated equipment, and this allows them to take the intended route through the waters. However, no single theory can provide concrete explanations, and many still believe that there is nothing strange with the region. The most accepted theory was presented by a team of scientists from the University of Colorado in 2016. This team viewed the satellite images of the area and found hexagonal clouds which might act like air bombs that cause deadly blasts. They exceed the speed of 117 miles per hour. They are hurricane winds that blow up the air and also trigger sea waves up to 45 feet in the air. Most of them fail to survive this. Some say the Bermuda Triangle is a gateway to the underworld, while others say it's a wormhole to another dimension. It is believed that here the radios stop working, compass spin like crazy, electronics start wigging out, and some say that they've spotted UFO.